Hi folks, back again with some more pocket watches. What I have here are some 18 size Hunter case pocket watches. This first one is an Elgin, made in 1891. It is a B.W. Raymond signature watch. B.W. Raymond was the first president of the Elgin Watch Company. He was the third mayor of the city of Chicago. So a lot of his watches have his signature inside. If you open the back, you'll be able to see his signature. His signature, you can see, is up in the top part of the watch here. These watches have his signature, and there were several board members. G.M. Wheeler was another, H.Z. Culver was another. Signature watches, they have a little bit more jewels in them, a little more reliable. And here you can see this watch, it wound it a little bit and it took right off. Runs very well. The dial and hands of these watches are a little nicer. This is a double sunk dial, has a center sunk in area, and the second area is also sunk. It has the beetle poker type hands. Anyway, very nice watch. This watch is a G.M. Wheeler signature watch. This was made in 1906. There were only 3,000 of this particular one made, so it's fairly rare. Most of the Hunter case watches are lever sets, stem wind lever sets. You have a little lever right here you pull out to set the watch. Push the lever back in, then you can wind it. Here again, a very nice watch. These are gold filled cases that they're in. See if I can get the back of this one open. You can see, I don't know if you can see his signature, but it's right at the bottom down here. Again, several jewels in the movement. Again, a very nice watch. This last one I'm going to show you is a Seth Thomas. Seth Thomas made watches for a number of years and around the turn of the century. This one's a 17 jewel movement made in 1896. Again, wind same way, has his lever set. Pull the lever out and you can set the watch. Their watches are fairly collectible as well. I can't get this case open. But anyway, three of my nicer 18 size Hunter case, gold pocket watches. Again, a Seth Thomas, and two Elgins, a B.W. Raymond, and a G.M. Wheeler. I'll be putting more watches on, but I have several on YouTube if you'd like to take a look, and I try to work on these occasionally, but try to find watches that need some repair. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll be back soon.